Myself, RITHESH Reddy. I have completed my B.Tech in MNR ITM. I have joined Qspiders in the month of July. I would like to thank whole Qspider faculty to giving this wonderful opportunity and giving good foundation of knowledge to crack this interview. I would like to thank whole HR team which provides requirements based on the criteria. We need to attend the grooming which is used to build our confidence and communication skills. We need to give marks. Based on the marks ratings, the HR team will give requirements. Then I would like to thank whole Qspider team